Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. Today I will do problems on property 4. This property is very useful and frequently used in different problems of solving definite integral. So let us start with a trivial problem. The problems on property 4. Let us recall the property 4. Property 4 is 0 to a fx dx equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Our first problem is 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Let us make our habit to start with I equals to some different integral. Okay. 0 to pi by 2 sin of, replace x by pi by 2 minus x, sin of pi by 2 minus x cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. Now this becomes 0 to pi by 2, this is cos x dx and this is cos x plus sin x dx. Now 2i is equals to I plus I. First the first I being replaced by the given integral, that is 0 to pi by 2 sin s dx by sin x plus cos x, plus the second I will be replaced by the derived integral, that is 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx by sin x plus cos x. Now they can be added, so we get sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. So finally we get 0 to pi by 2 simple dx. So this will be x 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus 0, that is pi by 2. So this is 2i equals pi by 2. So our required integral I will be pi by 4. This is our answer. Okay. Let us solve our second problem. Second problem, similar one, just there is some radical sign, root over of sin s dx by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x. So let us start this with I equals to this. Now apply the fourth property. Applying fourth property is nothing but replace x by a minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x here. So root over of sin of pi by 2 minus x divided by root over of sin of pi by 2 minus x root over of cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. 0 to pi by 2 root over of cos x dx by root over of cos x plus root over of sin x. Now like the previous one, we write 2i. 2i is equals to I plus I. In place of first I, write the given integral, that is 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x dx by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x. Then write, instead of the second I, the derived integral, that is 0 to pi by 2 root over of cos x dx by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x. We can arrange them writing root over sin x first, because root over cos x plus root over sin x is indifferent from root over sin x plus root over cos x. Now adding them, we get 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x plus root over of cos x by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx. Like the previous one, this is 0 to pi by 2 dx, that is x 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2. So our 2i is pi by 2, so therefore I will be equals to pi by 4. This is our answer. Okay. Let us do the next one, which is important, frequently asked in different exams. The problem is number 3, integration 0 to pi by 4 ln of 1 plus tan x dx. You have to solve this one. So start with I equals to this. Now apply the fourth property, 0 to pi by 4. Here you have to replace x by pi by 4 minus x. So you get ln of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus x, then write dx. Now integration 0 to pi by 4 ln of second bracket 1 plus the tan of pi by 4 minus x is nothing but 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, then dx. Then you get 0 to pi by 4 ln of, if you add this, you get 2 by 1 plus tan x dx. Now you can write 0 to pi by 4 ln 2 minus ln of 1 plus tan x, then dx. Now let me turn the page. We have I equals to, I equals to 0 to pi by 4 integration 0 to pi by 4 ln 2 minus ln of 1 plus tan x, then dx. Okay. Now let us split them. That is 0 to pi by 4 ln 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4 ln of 1 plus tan x, then dx. This is your I, which is reappeared. Now ln 2 is constant, so you can write ln 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 dx minus this is I. So actually you get I equals to ln 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 dx minus I. So if you took this I on the left hand side, you get 2I equals to ln 2 x 0 to pi by 4. So you get ln 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So you get, this is pi by 4 ln 2. So 2I equals to pi by 4 ln 2. So your original integral will be pi by 8 ln 2. This is your answer. Okay. This is an important problem, frequently asked in different exams. Next, let us do the problem. This will be our fourth problem. This is also important problem. 0 to pi by 2 2 ln of sin x minus ln of sin 2x dx. Now you can write this as, start with I obviously, 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin square x by sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x, then dx. So you get 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan x by 2 dx. Okay, now you can write it as integration 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan x minus ln 2 then dx. Now 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan x dx minus ln 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Now consider this integral as I1. Ln 2, this is x, 0 to pi by 2. So finally you get I1 minus pi by 2 ln 2. This is I equals, okay. Now I1 equals to your 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan x dx. Apply fourth property here. So you get 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan of pi by 2 minus x. Always replace x by a minus x. Here a is pi by 2, so you have to replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Tan of pi by 2 minus x dx. So you get 0 to pi by 2 ln of this is cot x dx. Now ln cot x can be written as minus ln tan x, so you can write 0 to pi by 2 ln of tan x dx. So this is minus I1, so I1 equals to minus I1, that is 2I1 equals 0, that is I1 equals to 0. So this becomes 0. So you get I equals to 0 minus pi by 2 ln 2. That is I equals to becomes minus pi by 2 ln 2. This is your answer. Okay. Next, let us do our fifth problem. Fifth problem, which is 0 to pi e to the power cos x divided by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x then dx. Now this is your I. So if we apply fourth property, then we have to replace x by pi minus x here, because here a is pi. So applying fourth property, I am writing 0 to pi e to the power cos of pi minus x by e to the power cos of pi minus x plus e to the power minus cos of pi minus x then dx. Then we get 0 to pi. Look, cos of pi minus x is minus cos x. So you can write e to the power minus cos x by, here e to the power minus cos x plus e to the power plus cos x, because minus cos of pi minus x is plus cos x dx. Now write 2i is I plus I. First, in place of first I write the given integral, that is 0 to pi e to the power cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx plus integration 0 to pi. Instead of the second I, write the derived integral, that is 0 to pi e to the power minus cos x by write this one first, e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Now just add them, so you get 0 to pi. In the numerator you get e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x whole divided by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. So you get 0 to pi simple dx. So you get x 0 to pi, so finally you get pi. So 2i equals to pi, so your integral I becomes pi by 2. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So let us end this video here. In our next video I will come with more problems on property 4. Till then, goodbye.